Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking compatibility and enabling core hardware. Open settings to verify your iPad model and iPad OS version so the app supports voice chat. Next, test the microphone with voice memos or FaceTime to confirm input and output work. This prevents surprises during calls. Then install your chosen app from the App Store. Once done, sign in or create an account. These steps save time because they isolate device or account issues before you attempt a live voice session. Once the app is installed, grant microphone and notification permissions so audio flows and you receive invites. Open the app's audio settings and select the device you'll use, built-in speakers, a wired headset, or Bluetooth headphones, because selecting the wrong device causes no sound or echo. Make sure input and output volumes are balanced, and enable background audio if you want voice chat while using other apps. If the app offers push-to-talk, set a comfortable gesture. This prevents accidental open mic situations. Now join or create a voice room and invite one friend to test. Speak and listen for clarity and latency. This confirms your configuration under real conditions. If you hear echo, mute speakers or switch to headphones. If there's no sound, toggle Bluetooth or reconnect the headset and restart the app. Make sure microphone permission is still enabled. As a final step, reset network settings or reinstall the app if problems persist. This clears corrupted caches and often restores normal voice chat behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.